Hello, is this, what's his first name? Jackson? Is this Jackson?
Yeah, this is Jackson Silver.
Hello, Mr. Silver. My name is Sep-Dec. I understand you were just speaking with Elena, correct? In our call center?
Yes, yeah. You said Shaz?
Yeah, Shaz. That's Shazz. But what I'm going to do right now, let me just verify your contact information. I'll shoot you an email with my contact, okay?
Oh, perfect. Thank you, man.
All right, so, Mr. Silver, I have down as your email,
It should be slyjack@hotmail.com.
SLYJACK@hotmail?
It's actually JACC.
Oh, perfect. Glad I asked. At hotmail.com?
Yeah.
And then can you just verify the number we're talking on right now?
Yeah, it's gonna be 714
Okay.
234
Okay.
6377.
77. All right, beautiful, Mr. Silver. Thank you for speaking with me again. Thank you for calling Network Capital. Did you have any questions for me before we begin?
No, let's just see what you can do for me.
Okay, and what is it you're trying to accomplish with this home loan?
Just trying to consolidate some debt right now. I just have a couple creditors, I owe some high balances with the pandemic going on. I kind of, racked up some bills, so see if I qualify to get some money to pay this stuff off.
Do you know about how much that you want to consolidate? Do you have a ballpark?
I think it came out to about like 33,000.
All right, 33,000. And when was the last time? Have you refinanced in the past?
No, this will be my first time.
Okay. And how long have you had the mortgage?
10 years now.
10 years. Okay, so yeah, you're probably due for a refinance. Let's see. So again, my name is Sep-Dec. I'm a senior mortgage banker here at Network Capital. And we provide some of the best rates in the market, if not the best. We have a very good underwriting team behind me. So if it looks like you're wanting to lower your rate and consolidate that debt, pretty sure we'd be able to help you out. I do have to ask you a couple questions here, and then within an hour, I'll be able to send you rates in writing of what my company can do for you. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, actually, I got off the phone with Rocket Mortgage, and they told me the same thing. So I'm just waiting right now my inbox, and I should be getting their loan estimate pretty soon.
You're shopping around, already breaking my heart, man.
I'm sorry. Hey, trying to get the best rates, man.
I understand. I do the same thing. Now, you understand about the 45-day window where everyone can pull your credit, correct?
They explained to me that.
Yeah, exactly. So it's going to be maybe a hit, but it won't be more than a hit. Maybe up to 10 points of repairs within 60 days. But if you're shopping, this is the time to shop. So you said you just talked to Rocket Mortgage?
Yeah.
Yeah, we match up very well against them. The good thing about us, we're a direct lender, meaning we do everything in-house, and we use industry-leading technology, meaning we do most things remotely. Now, that's a good thing, right? Doing things remotely with this pandemic going on?
Yeah, man, I'm not trying to get sick right now.
No, exactly. Not me neither. We actually, one of the reasons I work for this company, they allow me to work from home, so that's always a nice thing. Now, what do you do for a living?
Two jobs. One, I do work with the Magnolia School District.
Mm-hmm. Oh, cool. Are you a teacher?
Yeah, sex ed.
Okay. Oh, very good. Very good. Yeah.
And then I also do bartending as well at night.
Okay, and bartending. Okay, so one profession feeds the other. I get it. Okay.
Exactly.
And so that's now. So I was going to ask you about the pandemic. So have you been working from home, or how is the bartending holding up?
Bartending, we're still open. The location I'm at, we had hired some food trucks to come in.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, in order to be able to keep our license.
Oh, how about the kids go back to school? Are you doing everything remote right now?
As of right now, yeah, I am. Yeah, okay. So it's nice to I've been on a 10-month cycle with the school district.
That must be a completely different online experience with the classroom versus in person, right?
Yeah, especially for sex ed.
Oh,
yeah.
Well, you're on the internet, so they get to know all they want, right?
Yeah, exactly.
It's at your fingertips. Sticky keyboards, right? All right, so are you the only person on the property, or do we have someone else on that title?
My wife's on that actually too.
Oh, she is?
Yeah.
And then we're looking for a refinance of both your names, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I have the property address here in front of me, but can you go ahead and confirm it?
Yeah, it's gonna be 18365. That's gonna be Pacific Avenue.
Pacific Ave, okay.
And that's in Anaheim.
Anaheim, right down the street from us. We're over here in Beverly Hills.
Oh, awesome. That's not too far.
Well, we're one of the fastest growing financial firms in the nation and one of the highest rated for customer service. So we're pretty good at what we do. Now, I'm looking at, you said 18365 Pacific Avenue in Anaheim, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. Do you know the rate of the mortgage that you have right now?
Yeah, I'm at 3.2.
3.2. What I'm gonna ask you to do is, are you in front of a computer or do you have access to your email on your phone?
Yeah, looking at it right now. You're waiting for Rocket Mortgage to send me that loan estimate.
Oh, geez, really? Well, I know we're gonna be Rocket Mortgage, so don't you worry. I want you to get whatever you get from them in writing, and then just send it to me so I can send it to our underwriting. I've gotten exceptions in the past. If you're qualified and you are who you say you are, I'm pretty sure we're gonna be able to beat what they send you, okay? But I'm gonna send you my contact right now, just so you know who I am and you have all my information in front of you, okay?
Awesome, thanks, man.
So here, I just shot off that email. Do you see it in your inbox? Yeah, just give it a minute. When that pops up, it has a couple links to what people in our industry have to say about my company.
Okay.
And then there's a link to my newsletter too. And I just try to give my clients advice on where the market's going as far as rates. Just prove to you that keep an eye on the market for you. And that I know that I'm an expert in my field. So now you told me that your rate is 3.2, correct?
Yes.
We're gonna ask you for some documents in order to firm up the rate that we send you and actually lock it in case the market does change during the process of this loan. So in that email, there's also a list of documents, and one of those is a mortgage statement. You have access to all that stuff, right? Mortgage statement, W-2s and everything?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if you're shopping right now, I'd advise you have a PDF or some sort of online file where you keep it all in one place. We're all gonna be asking for the same stuff, right?
Yeah, exactly.
And it's all about who can get you the best rate, put more money in your pocket for those debts, right?
That's right.
And that's what we're working on. Well, I look forward to trying to earn your business here. I just need a couple more things before I let you go. I do need your date of birth and your social, so I can begin the process, run the credit, and I can get your rate back to you probably within an hour. So go ahead with the date of birth.
Okay, well, my birthday is gonna be October 3rd, 1981. And then when it comes with to the social, do you know exactly on the credit report, like, what are some things that may disqualify me?
There's so many things, because credit's as varied as the way people live, right? But I do need the credit in order to give you a rate. And for you to shop, you wanna get everyone's rates in writing. You can talk to 20 different people who have opinions about rates, but we gotta put it in writing, or else they're not gonna honor it. And so in order to give you something in writing, I do need that credit, unfortunately. Would that be an issue, running your credit?
No, I mean, the guy from Rocket Mortgage, like I said, I gave him my social, and, he advised me that, what I have in my credit, won't impact me. I just don't want to disclose what I have, even though it may not impact me, but I just want to,
I got you.
kind of get a bit of feeling that once I do, I'm not gonna be automatically, disqualified.
Completely understood, but in order for us to give you a rate and have a substantive discussion, we do have to know what we're looking at. So I can give you my opinion, but that's just as good as the rates you see in the advertisement too. So basically, I want to give you what we can actually offer you. And then I want to set the right expectations and show you that we do have the lowest rates in the market, and we can get you the most cash out in order to consolidate your debts. So just so I can set the right expectations, unfortunately, I do have to run that credit. So go ahead with your social.
Okay, so real quick though, so Rocket Mortgage did just send me this what looks like a loan estimate.
Oh, they sent you a loan estimate in writing?
Yeah.
Perfect, that's exactly how we're gonna compare apples to apples. Now, I'm gonna send you ours within an hour, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna be happy with what you see.
But so if they have a lower interest rate and better savings, is this something that you guys can?
Yes, our underwriters match all the time. We are a direct lender, meaning we have our own underwriters, our own investors, and then me, myself, being a senior banker here, I have some wiggle room on my end where I can get you exceptions. So you're doing everything the right way. You're shopping for the person who's going to give you the best rate and the best terms for what you need. All I'm asking is you let us throw our hat into the ring and compete for your business. And we just want to compete fairly, which means we need to run your credit the same way Rocket Mortgage did, so that way we can give you our loan estimate the same they did. And then you're going to see on paper that we're better than the competition. So go ahead with your social.
Okay, man, again, sorry for all the questions, man. I just want to make sure I'm doing the right thing.
I'm here to make sure that you're satisfied and comfortable with the process. You're completely fine.
Okay, my social is 605-348872.
8872?
Yeah.
Beautiful, those are very beautiful numbers. Alright, and, I'm just gonna make sure I have all the information on my application. Are you available within an hour so I can give you a call back and go over what we have to offer you?
Yeah, I should be good. Yeah, my wife will be home too, so she'll be able to talk with me.
Very good. You know what? I'm looking at my notes here. Did we say we were going to refi in her name as well, right?
Yeah.
That'll be very good. So I'm going to put this in just to get an indication from our underwriting. When I call you back in an hour, if your wife is there, I'm going to want to get some information from her too, because what we want to do is we want to provide you all the options we possibly can. So that means we're just going to get your information, your wife's information, look at this from every angle to make sure we're giving you the best rates and the best cash out for those debts you discussed, okay?
Perfect.
So it looks like I have everything. We're scheduling a call back right now. It's 4:45, so we'll say by 6 o'clock we're gonna be back on the phone, hopefully sooner, and I look forward to earning your business. Do you have any questions for me before I let you off, Silver?
No, Shaz, I think you helped me out a lot, man. So, I'll hold it to you though. Give me an hour, okay?
Hey, keep teaching those kids how to do what you do best, okay?
Thanks, man.
All right, take care, Rich. Yeah, if it was FHA or...
Yeah, my credit wasn't so good, so I had to get an FHA loan.
And did you serve? Okay, so that was FHA, right? So I should have asked you previously, but are you a veteran?
No, I'm not.
Okay, very cool. We have some good veteran programs, but it sounds like we're gonna just work on improving this FHA, okay?
Okay.
Now, were you looking to shorten the term, or your main benefits you're looking for was a lower rate and maybe some?
Dude, I'm probably gonna stay here for a while, so I mean, even just like a 20, 30 years would be fine for me.
Okay, what I find is that usually it's only worth it to go from 15 to 30, so the 20 is kind of a wash in between, so. But we'll give you all the options that come up when we input it into our system, all right?
Okay.
Does your payment include your taxes, homeowners insurance?
Yeah, it does, and I wanna keep it that way.
You wanna keep it that way? Okay, very cool. And do you have a second, or do you just have that first?
Just the first.
All right. Now, you didn't mention this, but I want to make sure we're covering all our bases here. When we go to processing and when we look at the options that my company can provide you, I'll put everything on the table. So, were you interested in cash out, or?
I mean, shoot, if I can get some money, but it didn't really cross my mind.
We'll just make sure to include that as an option. You can decide later on, okay?
All right, man.
And let's see, a little bit now, in order to give you our actual rates and tell you what we can do, I mean, I can give you indications, we can read the news, but I do have to run your credit, and in order to do that, I have to get your date of birth and your social security number. You understand that, correct?
Hold up, okay, I mean, I do appreciate everything you're going through, man. We're just going by this so quick. Can you tell me a little bit more about kind of like the rate ranges you guys offer?
Yeah, definitely. So right now we're seeing rates in the low 2s, and then there's also options to buy down your rate even more if you want to put a little more upfront cost, but it sounds like you might actually be wanting to get cash out. So I think we should go with the lowest par rate we can find for you, which is the lowest rate you can qualify. Sounds like you've improved your credit, so.
What's the qualifying like ranges though?
If your credit is as you say, and you've actually improved it since you started this loan, we're definitely gonna be able to beat that 5% you're in right now. And I would imagine you're gonna get down to the lower rates that we qualify. There's a lot of factors that go into this, so I don't really wanna tell you an exact number until I have your information, but I'm very confident we can improve your situation. Now, is there any reason why you wouldn't be asking people to run your credit right now?
No, again, I mean, it seems fine. Like I said, I just, you guys are the first call made today. I have Rocket Mortgage and a couple other like banks to give them a call. I just want to know what differentiates you from them.
Yeah, very cool. Well, the email that I sent off in the beginning of this conversation has my credentials, so you know I am who I say I am. Now, our company, in that email, there's a couple links to Inc. and Fortune magazines. We're very respected in the industry. We have over 20 years experience. We've gone through a complete market cycle before, and we have one of the highest customer satisfaction ratings in our industry. So if you are gonna shop, even if you don't choose us as your mortgage provider, we are gonna be one of the people you wanna get a price from, because we're an industry leader. So when you're shopping for a mortgage, you have 45 days to let the mortgage companies pull your credit and see who's giving you the best rates. And we definitely want to be in that basket of people that you're asking for rates. So, yeah, let's run your credit, let's see what my company can do. And when I send you our terms within an hour, definitely go around and see if they're better than the competition. If someone else gives you a term, a rate sheet lower than ours, send it back to me and I'll see if our underwriting can beat it. I have a lot of room on my end to earn your business, but we do have to talk about actual numbers and not just ballpark pie in the sky stuff. I do have to run that credit. So go ahead with your date of birth.
Well, can you give me till like half, like 2.5?
I can tell you that we've been doing low twos, and if you are everything that you say you are and you have improved credit, that is reasonable. But you understand my end, right? I set the right expectations. I can't tell you exactly what I can do until I look at the numbers. So I just need your date of birth.
Well, I'll give you my date of birth. Yeah, it's 3/12/88.
Nice. I'm actually March 15th myself.
Oh, nice.
88. Okay. And the social, I would need the social to run your credit, and I would need your permission telling me it's okay for us to actually provide you a rate.
No, okay, when you guys look like, does inquiries make a big difference too with my credit?
Well, so if you're in front of a computer, right?
Yeah.
All right, so if you just Google 45J credit, mortgage, those buzzwords, you'll see that, you have a 45J.
That's good.
Hello, Creed.
Yeah, how's it going?
Hey, it's going great. My name is Shaz. I'm a senior mortgage banker over here at Network Capital.
Hey, Shaz, how's everything going for you, man?
I was going great. You know, it's a beautiful Thursday afternoon. I understand you're talking to Alyssa, right?
Yeah. Tell a little bit about what's going on, what I'm trying to do.
Sounds good. Well, before we get started, do you have any questions for me?
Well, basically, I'm just trying to lower my interest rate right now. When I got my loan originally, it was kind of like a rougher end of the credit score. Past couple of years, I've been paying back some debts, some creditors, raising that up. So now I'm just trying to lower that interest rate, hopefully pay off my loan quicker.
Oh, no, I totally understand. That's actually a story I hear a lot. So I'm sure I can help you out. Before we get in depth with our conversation, can I just verify your contact number and email in case we get disconnected?
Yeah, no problem. Let's see, my email address is gonna be, it's creedbell@gmail.com.
Creed Bell, B-E-L-L?
Yeah, B-E-L-L.
And that's C-R-E-E-D, correct?
Correct, yeah.
All right, at gmail.com?
Yes,
And the phone number?
Phone number's gonna be 714-289-4033.
Awesome, Creed. Thank you so much. And again, my name is Shaz Barrett. That's like jazz with an S-H.
Okay.
And I'm over here with Network Capital. Are you in front of your computer? Do you have access to your email through your telephone?
Yes, I do, actually.
I'm going to just shoot you an email right now. Since I'm not in person, to give you a business card. That way you know I am who I say I am and you have my contact info, okay?
Thank you.
No problem. So, again, Creed, I'm looking at my notes here. It tells me that you're talked to Elena about lowering your rate. Originally, you got your loan under less than optimal credit score, and now you feel like it's improved. You've been paying on time, correct?
Yeah, I have.
Well, congratulations for that. That's the best thing you can do to improve your score, you know.
Thank you.
All right, and then we're gonna have a short conversation, a couple of minutes, answer a couple of questions, and within the hour, I can actually shoot you over a loan estimate with rates and tell you what my company can do for you, okay?
That sounds great.
We wanna make sure we're providing you a benefit. We're either lowering that rate, we're lowering your monthly payment, but we wanna make sure it's in your interest to go forward, right?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, awesome. And you do have about 5 minutes to talk to me right now?
Yeah, I got time. I don't have to work till tomorrow.
Very cool. Now, can I ask you just, this is kind of a funny question, but you're in the market for a mortgage, right?
Yeah.
So you are shopping.
Yeah, I am shopping.
Have you asked any other company for quotes yet?
You guys are the first right now to call.
The first and the best. Very cool. All right, well, we have a good reputation in the industry. We have market leading rates. We also have the fastest closing time. So it's important not just to go with a good company, but to get the process done as smooth as possible, right?
Yeah, I agree.
All right, awesome. So, so I just need a little bit basic information. I guess we have to start with the property, right? So
Sure.
what's the address of the property in question?
Yeah, it's gonna be at 1468 Century Park East in LA.
Nice. I hear that's a nice place to live.
It's beautiful, guys. There's a lot of construction going on right now, so it's pretty loud.
Okay. Oh, very cool. I mean, we're in LA. You're actually right down the street. Oh my God. So, and that's your primary residence, correct?
Yes, it is.
Very cool. So is that your first purchase, first time purchasing?
Yes.
Do you remember what the purchase price was?
Yeah, it was about 683,000.
And do you have any idea what the loan amount is now?
It's down to about 520.
520. Oh, do you remember how much you put down?
Let's see, when I put down, I think I could pay quite a lot. I think I put down like around 19,000 or so.
Don't even worry about it. We have so many great tools nowadays. We're gonna pull the title, we're gonna find out the property value currently, so we don't have to get too much in the weeds. I just wanna make sure I have enough information to get you back a rate to show you that we're actually competitive in the market. Do you know what rate you actually have right now on that loan?
Yeah, at a 5.1.
Oh, wow. Well, definitely the market has improved since then. And you do feel like your credit's pretty good with your payments, not only your mortgage, but anything else?
Yeah, no, yeah, I paid off. I've won medical collection debt, but I've raised my score well over about 120 points or so.
Very cool. All right, then I know we're gonna be able to improve, but you have to figure it out. I'm gonna stumble when my way through my first guy. So you have to transfer. Oh, is it recording? Hello, my name is Shaz Barrick with Network Capital. I would like to save you money on your mortgage. I've secured 2.5% for my clients with no lender fees or closing cost, and we even funded within just 2 weeks. To find out what you qualify for, give me a call back, 949-408-2438. Thank you for your time, and I hope you're having a beautiful Thursday evening. Take care. At the tone, please, your message. This is the best one. Hello, my name is Shaz Barrick with Network Capital, and I would like to save you money on your mortgage. I've secured 2.5% for my clients with no lender fees or closing costs, and we're even funding our loans in just 2 weeks. To find out what you qualify for, give me a call back, 949-408-2438. Again, my name is Shaz Barrick. The name of the company, Network Capital. Now, if you look us up on Zillow, on Yelp, on LendingTree, we have 5 stars across the board because our brand is the lowest cost lending provider and the highest quality service. So my loans are closing in just 2 weeks, and these 2.5, 2.75 rates are with no lender fees or closing costs. True no cash refinance. To find out what you qualify for, I just need a couple minutes of your time. So give me a call back, 949-408-2438. Hopefully we can lower your mortgage rate, your mortgage payment, and help you pay off your home sooner. Thank you, and I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday afternoon. See, that was a good long one.
Okay, done.
Ready? Are you recording?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, my name is Shaz Barrick with Network Capital, and I would like to save you money on your mortgage. I've secured 2.5% for my clients with no lender fees or closing costs, and we're even funding in just 2 weeks. To find out what you qualify for, give me a call back, 949-408-2438. Again, my name is Shaz Barrick. The name of the company, Network Capital. Look us up on LendingTree, Zillow, on NerdWallet, on all the major review sites. We have 5 stars because we're the lowest cost lending provider, and we are the highest rated service mortgage provider. We're getting 2% rates for our clients this week, and that's with no lender fees or closing costs. And again, it's only a couple minutes on the phone to find out what you qualify for. My number is 949-408-2438. I hope that you're having a wonderful Sunday evening. Look forward to helping you soon. Take care. That was you money on your mortgage. I've secured 2.5% for my clients with no lender fees or closing costs. And we even funded within just 2 weeks. To find out what you qualify for, give me a call back, 949-408-2438. Thank you, and I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday afternoon. Take care. Yes, hello. Hi, this is Shaz Barrick with Network Capital regarding a possible refinance. Right now we're offering fixed rates as low as 2%, no lender fees. To get a free quote, just give me a call back, 949-408-2438. That's 949-408-2438 regarding a possible refinance. Hopefully we can lower your mortgage rate, your mortgage payment, help you pay off that home sooner. Look forward to speaking to you. Hope I could be of service. Take care.